My father started in 1957. He retired in 1985. And as a child, I would actually walk the grounds of Scott Scudder. And I remember visiting the shop teacher there, Gene Morgan. What I saw was a full shop up and running, and at that point I decided to be a shop teacher. The next thing we're going to be doing is some small cars. I would like you to volunteer and build at least 2 cars, because then we can give it away to one of the shelters. And I found it extremely rewarding working with these types of students. These students are needy, they absorb the skills that you teach them, but they're also extremely productive, and they want to be productive if we give them the tools to be successful. And you're going to try and figure out where the center is, so press. Los Angeles County Office of Education has been an incredible place to work. The opportunities that they provided have been like none other than any of the other jobs I've ever been at. Campus Kilpatrick is phenomenal. The management, the principal, and all of our outside support and our interagency support. The environment, it's all inspiring. And I'll tell you, the students, I've seen an amazing change in them. They're internalizing and reflecting those changes, and they're all positive. It's a good one, I like it. They've had a tough journey. You want to give them a sense of pride. You want them to understand what they're doing, but you also want them to walk away and feel that they're valued. What I find is that the students want something that they can use and be productive members in society. And when we can feed them the skill sets that they need, we have amazing results in the community. When you have an impact like that and you see that these students have the ability to change, want to change, and do change, then you know you're doing your job.